Oh my goodness, 100,000 YouTube subscribers. I still can't believe it. Anyway, today we're going to do something a wee bit different. I'm going to share with you the very first video I did in 2017. We're going to talk about some of the highs and lows and one of the weirdest comments I've ever had. So if you are ready for that, let's dive in. Diane in Denmark here, rah, rah, rah. I am your online cheerleader, your routines coach. And as I said, it's a different video today, 100,000 subscribers. I want to thank everybody out there who has followed along. And we'll talk a wee bit about the highs and the lows of that. But first of all, we are in the kitchen and I wanted to show you the first ever video that I did. Can you guess? Can you guess what it was? I'll give you a wee clue. It's behind me. Okay, let me roll the video.
FlyLady Diane here. This is me shining my sink. I take my favourite cleaner, one that smells of orange and rosemary, quick spray. I take the old cloth that I've been using during the day and I wipe down the surface around the sink, around the top. Here we are. The inside of the sink, the bottom. This one goes in the wash, a new one comes out, and Bob's your uncle, we're all done. You can do it. Go shine your sink. It's the beginning of your fly journey. Cheers with a glass of water. Bye.
And that video with the sink was the start of me being on YouTube. Now, I've been blogging for many years before that. And I was mentoring some ladies in the FlyLady system. If you don't know what the FlyLady system is, hands down the best system for running your home, organizing your life. That's the system that I teach. And I was putting out these small videos to help my ladies around the world so they could just kind of check in. And it kind of snowballed from there. And I want to thank everybody who has followed the channel. I have taken you to ice swimming competitions. You have seen me out and about with my besties. Our famous swap parties, you know, the clothes swap parties that I hold with my friends. We've gone all through Christmas here in Denmark, our hygge traditions, how to hygge like a Dane. And oh my goodness, we've done planning, we have decluttered, we have cleaned all over the house, talking about minimalism and the benefits that brings to me, being able to get more out of life. And there have been highs and lows. My appearance has changed, my style hopefully has evolved. I've done lots of videos about the Dressing Your Truth system. And I just wanted to share a funny thing because the more subscribers I get, the more my videos go out on YouTube to people who have never experienced me before. And that brings in fantastic comments. It also brings in not so fantastic comments. And I know I've been doing this for a long time, but I read all the comments. It's me answering. I have no team behind me. Everything that you see from me on Facebook, Instagram, all my graphics, I do everything myself. There's no team. So when you see me replying to comments, it's me. It's not somebody else. And you know, I try to have a thick skin about things because you know I'm not going to appeal to everybody. But let me just read you an excerpt from one of the more weird comments. And things like this, I send it to my kids, and my kids can help me to see the funny side of it. So anyway, eyes down for this comment. Okay. So it was actually on a Christmas video, but the lady said to me, "Oh, the swimming thing you do," she's referring to the ice swimming. "I've never known any normal humans with regular blood to swim in ice water. We are talking hypothermia. You must have a certain reptilian blood that adapts to the ice you swim in. It's the bloodlines that allow you to do this." Okay, and then it kind of carried on. So anyway, thank you for all the encouraging comments that I've had. And also I want to thank those of you who have sent me messages, the ones that let me know that my videos have helped you through loss of a loved one, loss of a child, hard times, change in your situation. And those really mean so much to me. And I promise myself I'm not going to get teary, but thank you for all the comments that have been coming in. And one thing that I can promise you moving forward is more of the same. I do not do any adverts in the middle of the videos. Oh, that's really annoying to me. I don't do any sponsored products. You will not see, oh, this video is sponsored by. I get asked to sponsor products all the time. I mean, that's silk blouses, mattresses, makeup, handbags, jewellery, household appliances, cleaning products, shoes, meal services, exercise programs. And you know what? I've told you before, if I like something, I will tell you about it. I'm not going to encourage you to buy stuff that you don't need, and it's not something that I enjoy. So that's the same as it has always been. No sponsorships, no promotions. I make the videos because I like making the videos, and I want you to have what I have, which is a clean, cozy home, minimalist if you want to be minimalist. I want you to have time to nurture your friends, your family, have time with them. And a wee shout out to all my friends here as well. They've been so good at playing along and allowing me to film all these precious moments that we share together. And I really want you to see that the best things in life are not the things. It's the people and it's the experiences. So anyway, I need to go and blow my nose. Coming up later this week, I've had a lot of questions about the Danish breakfast chocolate. Let's have a wee look at that. We'll also be planning. But anyway, heartfelt thanks to everybody who has subscribed, commented over the years. It really means a lot to me. So anyway, on that note, here are the pom-poms. Pom-poms will never be decluttered. All I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the Danish hygge be with you, and I shall see you later this week with a ra, ra, ra. Bye for now, and thank you.